The Columbian Exchange, a term coined by historian Alfred W. Crosby in 1972, refers to the massive transfer of plants, animals, and diseases between the Americas, New World, and Europe, Africa, and Asia, Old World, starting in the late 15th century. This exchange was sparked by Christopher Columbus's voyages, which reunited two biologically distinct worlds that had been separated for millions of years. Before Columbus's arrival, the Americas and the Old World had evolved independently, resulting in unique ecosystems and species. The Columbian Exchange disrupted this balance, leading to both positive and negative consequences. One of the most significant impacts was the introduction of new diseases to the Americas, which had no natural immunity to them. This resulted in a devastating loss of life among indigenous populations, with estimates suggesting an 80 to 95% decline in their numbers from the 15th century onwards. The Columbian Exchange also brought new crops and livestock to both the Americas and the Old World. American crops like corn, potatoes, tomatoes, and chili peppers became staples in many parts of the world, contributing to population growth and dietary changes. Conversely, Old World crops like rice, wheat, and sugarcane, along with livestock like horses, cattle, and pigs, were introduced to the Americas, transforming agriculture and land use. The exchange of plants and animals also had unintended consequences. European colonists introduced new weeds and pests to the Americas, disrupting native ecosystems. Similarly, the introduction of Old World animals like horses and cattle had a significant impact on the landscape and wildlife of the Americas. The Columbian Exchange also played a crucial role in the development of the transatlantic slave trade. Between 1525 and 1866, millions of Africans were forcibly transported to the Americas as slaves, contributing to the growth of plantation economies and the demographic shift in the New World. The Columbian Exchange was a complex and far-reaching event with lasting consequences for the world. It reshaped ecosystems, altered agricultural practices, and led to the spread of diseases and the forced migration of people. While it brought about new opportunities and advancements, it also resulted in significant loss of life and ecological disruption. The legacy of the Columbian Exchange continue.